Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shimela Tabassum and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. So today I'm making a very quick and easy prawns curry recipe. So let's start making it. In a clay pot, heat 2 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoon ghee. Goes in 1 bay leaf, 1 mace, 1 star anise, 3 cloves and 1 black cardamom. To this I'm adding 2 finely chopped onion. Fry this till it becomes translucent. Adding 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for a few seconds. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Here you can add a splash of water if required to avoid the masalas getting burnt. Now adding 1 cup tomato puree. Give this a very nice mix. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt. Adjust as per your taste. To this I am adding leftover water of tomato puree. Mix this nicely. Now cook covered for about 10 minutes in a slow flame. And now clean the prawns well, pat dry the excess water and then marinate this with 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon tikka masala or any meat masala. Give this a very nice mix. Goes in 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well and set this aside. And now heat a tablespoon of oil. Place the marinated prawns in a pan. Now fry this till water absorbs. Add a few drops of lemon juice. And now fry this till water absorbs. Once the curry is cooked, now add all the fried prawns in it. Mix this nicely. Add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And now cook this for 2 minutes in a slow flame till oil separates. So guys, this prawns curry is ready to serve with roti or rice. It's a very delicious and aromatic recipe that is very quick and easy to prepare. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give a big thumbs up below and give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Follow our Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care, stay safe and have a nice day.